Welcome fans, welcome back to Alyssa Allegra. You have enrolled in Allegra University, the School of Manifestation, and I want you to know Professor Alyssa is happy that you showed up. You clicked on this video because you want to write
a manifestation letter to yourself.
And this is something that I did recently, I've done in the past, and I continue to do throughout my life as my goals and my priorities grow and manifestations come true, and you continue building on that to get the exact life that you desire. So today I'm going to go over with you my ideal manifestation template, which I made, and I have a downloadable copy that you can use to your pleasure. What I'm gonna have you guys do today is write this manifestation letter right now, because there's no better time than now. You love watching these videos, getting inspo, but what more do you need than in this 10 minutes of you watching this video, you sit down and write this letter yourself. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna have you write this letter right now, baby. So you have options. 1, you can click on my Google Doc, you can go in and download it into a Word doc and start typing it out. 2, you can get a journal, open up that journal, write this whole letter out here. For the third option, you can print this Google Doc and you can write on top of it. Now, I will say I have no preference. My original letter that I wrote was in a notebook. It was 2 pages long, and let's just say
your girl went on and on.
I tried to make this doc a good way for you to get started and feel like you have a starting point, but I will say that you can make it as grand or as simple and small. Neither version is going to make anything come to fruition more one way or the other. It's really about your intention and being specific and believing in what it is that you're saying, less than the medium that you're using to write it or how much you write. What I will say is it's up to you, but in any case, let's get started.
My little baby manifestors.
So first, go to File and then make a copy so that you can directly type into this Google Doc. Hello, Alyssa. This is your future self reporting back on the life you built for me. You actively took steps to work hard for the life I'm currently living. Thanks for that, by the way. Good call. So next, we're going to add the proactive steps that you took, your future self is letting you know that you took in order to get them to where they are today. So, for example, if you wanted to be a real estate agent or you wanted to be an entrepreneur, whatever it is that you really want in this life, this is where you put the steps that you took to do it. So I'm going to write a few examples here. I'm going to say, consistently worked on building your YouTube channel. You invested in being a Zillow Premier agent. You carefully researched and continued to develop valuable products for your e-commerce business. So these are just a few examples, and again, you can do as many as your heart desires. You could do 10, you could do 3, you could do 1. Maybe this letter is something that you're just going to use to focus on finding the love of your life, or being able to buy a new house, or moving to another state. It can be anything. For me, my most recent one was really focused on the life I wanted to live as a whole and how I foresaw that. So these were some things that I put down. So feel free to write down a few things as to what you did to get you to where you are now. So your future self is letting you know, I am now A, B, and C because you did these things. So an example here is, I am now a successful content creator, real estate investor and developer, I'm going to say, and positive cash flow business owner who gives back to the community. Boom. Wow. Who is she? So in this section, you're just going to put what it is that you no longer have to do because you worked hard to be the person you want to be. So let me show you an example. The next one is, I no longer have to work a day job or report to anyone except myself. Your actions have allowed me the privilege to. So because you did these things and now you are whatever dream life you could possibly imagine, what privileges has your past self now allowed you to have? So in this case, I wrote down, your actions have allowed me the privilege to travel freely, live by my own timetables, hair flip, and give back to my family so they can build and go after their own dreams. I now have the financial freedom to pass on generational wealth for years to come. So in these sections here, I just want you to know that you can really build on this, but if you want to do this during this video right now, you can just jot down a few things. You can build on it later. You can pause the video and like really get down to the nitty-gritty, but I really think that this template is simple and succinct and might even help you if you're not really sure with what it is that you do want to do in life. This could help you as an exercise. If you could have any life, what would it look like? So lastly, for the closer, I have your aptitude, motivation, and rigorous planning skills manifested a healthier and happier me. Or should I say, a you? So the moral of the story is, I'm here to tell you that you did it. Congrats. Couldn't have done it without you, Avi. Keep up the positive thinking, the grind, and believing in yourself. Because bottom line, you've already achieved your wildest dreams. Whenever you feel lost, scared, or down, come revisit the ideal life you've already manifested here in this letter to lift your spirits. You have everything you need to meet me here one day. See you soon. Love always, your future self. Okay, fans. So once you've written down everything out, either on your printout or in a notebook, whatever your preference was, it's time to really feel exactly what it is that you wrote and activate some intention here. So I want you to take a moment and sit with your letter. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, out through the mouth, and as you breathe in, feel exactly all the feelings that you put into this letter. Really imagine what your life looks like in this letter that you've created. Out with any doubt that you hold, anything that's holding you back. Maybe it's people's expectations, maybe it's being scared of what you think people are going to think of you. Activate your smile. Feel that joy inside of getting exactly what it is that you've manifested in this letter. Thank yourself for how hard you're working. Thank your future self for sticking in there. Sticking it out. Thank your future self for sticking it out. And remember that you can have whatever life it is that you want, and that the only thing holding you back is yourself. And that you are in charge of your own destiny. I hope this manifestation letter to yourself uplifted your spirits. There's no better time to do it when you're feeling down or you're feeling waves of doubt, because this is a great exercise to turn your thinking upside down.
Turn your thinking upside down. Turn your thinking all around.
It's a really great way for you to think positively and grab life by the balls, baby, because you can do it. So I hope that this scripting exercise helped you, and if anything, you just started something. You just wrote something down, you started a video, you went through, you did the exercise, and you ended this video with a physical, tangible letter for you to start getting the universe to listen. Now that you've put it out there, it will come back to you. And I'll tell you what, no one knows this better than Lola. Isn't that right, Lola? Aren't you the manifesting queen, wouldn't you say? Are you the manifesting queen? Are you my baby Oishi manifesting queen? I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more of these videos. Comment below, and I will continue to do the exercises that give me life and hopefully give you life too, so we both can come together lively as Alright kids, until next time, you know what your homework is. Live the life you love. Live the life you love. Live the life you love.